Okay, back. Live second game. And we're going to be downloading 7-Zip. It's not like I want to, though. So, 7-Zip, download. Oh, and to get this, you gotta go to 7zip.org. Just click download on your architecture. Probably 64-bit. If that doesn't work, then try 32-bit or 64-bit ARM64. Just click open. Click yes to the pop-up. And just click install. Really? Oh, that was actually faster than I thought. Okay, now let's where was the ISO here? It's a well, okay. Let's go to here. Nope, not your videos. Ah, shoot, no. You need to go to music. No, why am I? No, pictures, downloads. Okay, here it is. This, I have to rename as 7Z. I don't think it's gonna work again. 7-Zip. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Let's read down the ISO again. Okay. Reload. Download. Save. See, it's because it was saved as 7-Zip, not all file. Whatever. Save. And wait for the download to finish. Again. Meet you back when it's finished. The file is done. And now I'm going to open it and extract it. 7-Zip. Should have done it the first way. I'm bad. 7-Zip. Do you do that? I think so. Okay, so just let it do that. You can go full screen. That's nice. We'll do that. So you can make it, just do it in the background. Or the foreground. I don't know. It just let it do its thing. It's gonna take like 20 seconds around. Depends on how fast your computer is. Because it's extracting actual ISO. Well, a 7-Zip file that's as big as an ISO. So it's almost done. So just let it do its thing. Okay, just finished. And did you say? Oh, yep, that's the actual image. So go to Rufus, where you downloaded it. Open it. Click yes. Minimize. Select your device, USB drive, which I'm not going to use. Click select. Select the ISO. Let you just extract it. Okay, that's weird. But that makes no sense. I just extracted it from here. Wait, did I? Oh no, I didn't. Nope. Okay, so I thought I didn't. So cancel that. Open this. Ah, okay. So Rufus is already in it. Just open Rufus. Yes. It's an older version. Select your device. Your USB drive. select, okay, go open the folder, select the ISO, open, there we go, and that should be standard Windows installation, and then your USB drive, which will be up here. Partition scheme, do MBR, because that's what most computers use, and if that doesn't work, then try GPT. And then a volume label, doesn't really matter. File system, do whatever you want, I guess. And then I would have quick format on. Close. I'm not going to be using a USB drive. I'm going to be using VirtualBox, so just close that. Goodbye. Goodbye. Open VirtualBox. For me, I'll open VirtualBox. Oh, that's not nice. We'll just use the same Micro 11 thing. Start. Wait for it to boot. Powering VM up. For me, I had to wait. For you, you would have to restart your computer and enter your boot menu, which is a one-time boot menu, so you can boot off a USB, like the one you just created. And then everything should be the same from then. Just let it boot. I was gonna say, just let it boot up for a second. So, Micro 11 is like a really tiny version of Windows 11. There's also Optimum 11. Why is my mouse doing that? Optimum 11. And yeah, see, it'll do Windows. Oh yeah, just setup is starting right away. Okay. Breathing new life into your PC. Hopefully it breathes nice into my VirtualBox. My VirtualBox is not happy. So it'll just load. Just wait. It's just like a standard Windows installation, except you're installing a custom version of Windows. Small version. What? Well, that's the Copilot Edition. That's the one I did. So click next. You then click your disk. Everything on it. Oh yes. Okay, so anything on it will be destroyed if you format it, which I'm not gonna do. I'm just gonna click next because it's unallocated, and it's gonna install Windows. Optimum 11, or Micro 11. Copying ISO files. So just let that install, and I'll meet you back once the installation is completed. And it'll take a little bit, depending on your speed, which mine will probably take like 15 minutes. But if you have a fast PC, it'll probably take like 5. I've had it take 5 once on a standard, Tiny 11. It's another version of. It's not by Windows X-Lite though. Probably heard of it. It took like 5 minutes. Oh, that is fast. See that? Usually Windows 10 takes lower than this. And Windows 11 was just like blah, blah, blah. Like just bad. This is amazing. Well, I'll meet you back once it's finished.